Hello everyone, welcome back to the English class of the 7th grade. Today we're going to talk about whose, genitive, and possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives. We'll start with whose. You remember when we talked about WH questions, we've mentioned the word whose. Whose is used in questions, as I said, when we ask about which person owns or is responsible for something. For example, whose pen is this? And whose is a WH word, as I mentioned before, and it's used to introduce relative clauses. So, to give more information about people, things, or the situation. For example, whose are these glasses? This question is about possession. And the other example, this is the woman whose son works for us. We'll continue with genitive, apostrophe S and S apostrophe. Genitive shows a relationship of possession or origin between one thing and another. Apostrophe S is used with people, animals, though it can be also used with places, organizations, or companies. For example, my sister's house is in the center of town. We're talking about the house of my sister in this case. And the noun is sister. We have to add apostrophe S to show possession. We add the apostrophe, only the apostrophe, when the noun ends in S. So it's a plural noun. When the noun is plural, we just add the apostrophe. For example, my two sisters' house is in the center of town. I'm talking about the two of my sisters, not just one. For irregular plural nouns that do not end in S, we add apostrophe S. You do remember the irregular nouns, right? For example, it's woman's right we are talking about. Woman, it's an irregular noun, and we just add apostrophe S to show the genitive case. Singular nouns end in S. When the singular noun ends in S, we add apostrophe S. For example, the actress's role was very difficult. We have a singular noun, that's actress. It ends in S, so we add apostrophe S. We'll continue with possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives. You can see in the screen the pronouns. First, let's talk about possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives are my, your, his, her, its, our, their. And possessive pronouns are mine, yours, his, hers, ours, and theirs. Possessive adjectives are used to show that something belongs to somebody, relations, and for body parts. For example, this is my bag. His father is a doctor. She's washing her hair. Possessive pronouns are used instead of a full noun phrase. For example, whose car is this? It's Anna's car, or it can be the answer, it's hers. So you can see that the possessive adjective comes before the noun and possessive pronoun comes at the end of the sentence. We can also use possessive pronouns and nouns after of. Anna is one of my friends, and Anna is a friend of mine. So can you see the difference between the first one and the second? In the first one, we have a possessive adjective, my, and in the second one, we have a possessive pronoun, mine. Now you're going to see a video and you're going to make a list of the pronouns you can hear from that video.
Alex, look at this. What a mess. Whose green towel is this? Alex, is it yours?
No, it isn't mine, it's hers. Lisa's towel is green.
And whose swimming goggles are these? Lisa, are they yours?
No, they aren't mine. They're his. His goggles are blue. My goggles are pink.
Okay, stop it now. Whose laptop is this?
It's my laptop.
Wrong. It's mine. Until you tidy this room.
No.
So, do you have the list now of the pronouns that you have heard? It was yours, mine, hers, and so on. Now we're going to have some exercises, more exercises with pronouns, possessive ones and adjective, and the word whose. Let's start with the first one. Who is the owner of this wallet? Can we write this question in another way with the word whose? It's whose wallet is this? So the meaning is the same. The second, those are my sunglasses. Using mine, can we create the sentence? Those sunglasses are mine. Next one, is this your radio? Using the pronoun yours. Is this radio yours? Fourth one, who is the owner of these batteries? It can be also whose or these batteries. And the last one, these are her pens. Using hers, these pens are hers. This is all about genitive case, the whose word, and possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives. As homework, you're going to do the exercise 8, page 15, student's book, and also in the workbook, page 10, exercise 3, 4, and 5. This is all for today. See you in the next class.